Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how you can use Moringa powder to make your hair grow longer and stronger and shinier in two different ways. Moringa powder is loaded with lots of nutrients that your hair loves, and if you use it correctly, it can double and triple your hair growth. It's really great. It can make your hair grow longer and faster. It can make your hair shinier. If you have any dandruff problems, it will get rid of all dandruff problems. It will make your hair soft and smooth. And using this recipe will help to heal any damage you have done to your hair. So there are two ways you can use moringa powder for your hair. Now when you're getting a moringa powder, make sure you get the bright green moringa powder, and fresh organic is best. This will have the most antioxidants and nutrients for your hair, so make sure you get a good quality one. If you're not sure where to get the moringa powder, I will leave some links right here in the shopping on the video here. Click on that link, and there will be a link there for moringa powder, so you can try some of these if you don't know where else to get it. Now, depending on the length of your hair, you need to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of moringa powder. Put this in a bowl. And to this, you're going to add 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of an oil. So if you have oily hair naturally, you use less oil. If you don't, if you have dry hair, you can use up to 1 tablespoon. Or if you have in between normal hair, you can judge it 1 to 2 teaspoons. The best oils you should use would be coconut oil, or you can use jojoba oil or almond oil. Add that to your mixture. Add to it room temperature yogurt, about 1/4 cup. And stir this up. If it's too thick, you can add a tiny bit water, but don't make it runny. You want to apply this to your hair starting from the roots all the way down to the tips. So coat your hair really well with this mixture. Smooth out your hair and tie it up. Put a cap on top. And you can also put a towel over that to help secure it. And leave it in your hair for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can rinse it off. Just rinse it with cold water. Don't shampoo. And you can do this 1 to 2 times a week. If you have more damaged hair, you can do it 2 times a week. If your hair is normal, you just want it to grow more, 1 time a week. The other way you can use moringa for your hair is you can boil the moringa leaf in water. About 1 cup of the moringa leaves in 2 cups of water. Boil this. After you bring it to a boil for a couple of minutes, turn it off and let the mixture cool. And you can put this into a spray bottle. You can spray it onto the roots of your hair 2 to 4 times a week. Moringa has lots of vitamin A, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids. All of these are very great for your hair. And it also has a lot of iron. Iron helps to keep the oxygen supply coming to your scalp. Not getting enough oxygen is one of the reasons we have a lot of hair fall. So having enough iron is very important. Make sure you get enough sun. Vitamin D3 is very important for your hair to grow. So even if you put hair masks and things, you want to make sure you have enough vitamin D. And when you have enough vitamin D, it escalates this process of your hair growing. You want this to work for you, so make sure you get enough sun. That it will actually help your hair to grow. This is a very effective hair treatment. So give it a try and leave a comment down below so everyone can see how well it works for you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.